Successful organization does not achieve goals but chance but by following a deliberate process known as answer D. Management. Management is essential for the organization which are answer D. All of the above. Management contains a series of interrelated functions that include answer D. All of the above. People in the organizations carry out diverse tasks with the aim to achieve answer B. Common objectives. Successful management ensures that answer C. Both of the above. Efficiency is concerned with answer B. Doing things right. Effectiveness leads to answer D. All of the above. Rohan works as a production manager in Global Enterprises Limited. He has been given the task of getting 1000 units of hand-woven table mats manufactured at the cost of 150 per unit within 10 days. In order to be acknowledged as an effective manager, he must ensure that answer B. The work is completed within 10 days even at higher cost per unit. Jay is working as a marketing manager in a company. He been given the task of selling 1 lakh units of a product at the cost of 100 per unit within 20 days. He is able to sell all the units within the stipulated time but had to sell last 100 units at 20% discount in order to complete the target. In such a situation, he will be considered to be answer B. An effective manager. Management is said to be poor if it is answer C. Effective but inefficient. Tarang Enterprises Limited is planning to increase its sale by 30% in the next quarter. Identify the feature of management being highlighted in given statement. Answer B. Management is a goal-oriented process. Management is equally important to run a political organization as it is to run an economic organization. Which feature of management is being reflected in the given statement? Answer C. Management is all pervasive. Management translates the work to be carried out in terms of goals to be achieved and assigns the means to achieve it. This statement relates to answer A. Management of work. Which of the following statement highlights that management is a group activity? Answer D. All of the above. Keeping in view the change in the consumer demands and preferences, Decidemaker Bakery has reduced the sugar and fat content in its products. This approach of business showed that management is answer C. A dynamic function. Which of the following is not an organizational objective of management? Answer D. Providing free education to their employees' children. Management is considered important because answer D. All of the above. Management is considered to be an art because answer C. Different principles of management are brought into effect differently by different managers. Which of the following statement is not relevant to the concept of management as an in exact science? Answer B. The principles of management lack universal applicability, the authority responsibility relationship that exist within the organization given rise to. Answer B. Different levels in the organization. Which of the following is not a designation related to top level management? Answer D. Production manager. Which of the following is not a designation related to middle level management? Answer C. Chief Operating Officer. Which of the following is not a designation related to lower level management? Answer D. Marketing manager. Which of the following is a function of top level management? Answer D. Ensuring that the safety standards are maintained with the organization. Which of the following statements does not pertain to middle level management? Answer B. They are responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization. Which of the following statements is not true for lower level management? Answer A. Analyze the business environment and its implication for the survival of the business. Identify the level of management which does not interact with the workforce directly. Answer D. Middle level management. The main task of his level of management is to determine the overall organizational objective and strategies for their realization. Answer D. Top level management. This level of management serves as a link between top level managers and first line managers. Answer C. Middle level management. Organizing as a function of management involves deciding. Answer D. All of the above. The function of management related to grouping of activities to be carried out into department and creating management hierarchy is. Answer B. Organizing. This function of management related to laying down the foundation of carrying out the other functions of management successfully is. Answer C. Planning. Supervision, communication, motivation, and leadership are the key elements of this function of management. Answer A. Directing. This function of management related to placing the right person at the right job is. Answer B. Staffing. It is a force that binds all the function of management. Answer B. Coordination. Coordination is considered to be the essence of management because. Answer D. All of the above. Identify the process that provides the requisite amount, quality, timing, and sequence of efforts which ensures that planned objectives are achieved with a minimum of conflict. Answer C. Coordination. Identify the feature of coordination being highlighted in the given statement. Coordination is not a one-time function. It begins at the planning stage and continue till controlling. Answer C. Coordination is a continuous process.